Vlogs are a popular form of online content where individuals document their daily lives or experiences. With the rise of social media platforms and accessible video technology, vlogs have become a versatile medium for storytelling, entertainment, and self-expression nowadays. Since you clicked this video, I will show you an easy way to improve your vlogs when it comes to color grading. Filmora 13 added so many LUTs in their filter effects, and one of the highlights they have right now is the lifestyle filters, which you can use to color grade your plain or raw videos, especially vlogs. I have this vlog of mine way back 2023, and I'm thinking that I won't upload this without improving its colors. Now, what you would need to do is to go to effects and look for lifestyle. There are so many color grading presets here, but they are recommending the following effects: solar glow, alpine breeze, fading memory, amber urban, golden moments, casual candid, bright side 02, and insta mood. Now each filter that I mentioned has different style and color grading. Now let's try each filter in my own vlog or raw video clip, and let's see which effect or color grading suits my video very well. First, let us try solar glow. As you can see, this is the effect when we have solar glow on our second video track. But if we try to remove it, right, so this is with the effect or color grading, and when I try to remove it, you'll see just like that. So let me know if it's better or not. Next, we will be trying Alpine Breeze. Just drag the effect on top of your video clip. As you can see, it will change its color. Adjust it when necessary. So as you can see, this is with the effect, and this is when we don't have the effect. And by the way, you can adjust this using the opacity. Just make it lower or higher if you want to. And you can also protect skin tones so that the skin of your subject won't be affected with the whole color grading or the whole effect. Let us try another one. This time let's try fading memory. Right here, drag and drop it on top of your editing timeline. And there you go. This one looks like an old video because it gives me sepia feels, but this is with the effect. So again, it depends on what is the concept of your vlog or what is the situation or the scene. So just make sure that the effect that you're applying or the color grading that you will be choosing is appropriate for your video. But then again, now it's much more easier because you don't have to manually adjust it right here in the color, because I've done this back then and it's a tedious work to do. Like, you need to adjust everything, and you know, it really takes up a lot of time, and you know it really takes up so much time and effort. But since Filmora 13 is right here providing us LUTs and color grading presets, then we don't have to worry about it spending more time anymore in editing the color of our videos. Let us now look for Amber Urban, this one right here. So as you can see, this Amber Urban effect has like a vignette on the sides, like the effect that you would want to put when there's a to be continued scene, or like a flashback scene, or also like a scene where you are making some or doing some recap from like the previous episodes of your vlog. It's like an old reel that I'm watching right now, but there's no grains on the video. It's just the vignette and the color, you know, it's like an old color. Yeah, I like this one. Depends on the situation though, or the scene. Next, let us try golden moments. Let's look for golden moments right here. This one. And let's remove Amber Urban first. And as you can see, golden moments, this one really looks like a very special scene. And if you want to emphasize something, like, you know, like when someone told you like, have you remembered that day, or have you remembered that moment. So it's like you will be using this effect to show your viewers what happened back then. It's like also Amber Urban, but there's no much vignette on this one. Now let's use casual candid. Let's look for that one. This one is casual candid. Oh, this one's trippy. It's also nice, but it looks so purple to me. But if it suits your video, why not, right? Another one is Brightside02. Let's try this. There you go. Oh, I think this one is emphasizing contrast or putting more on contrast. On casual candid, we had like a low contrast, but this one we had a high contrast video clip and focusing more on highlights and black colors of your videos. So if you would want to look your video like this, then Brightside02 is appropriate for your video. And now let's try the last one, which is Insta Mood. Insta and then mood. If you're Filipino, that probably will sound awkward to you, but it's Insta Mood. Okay, Insta Mood. Alright, so this one looks like casual candid also, but the contrast is not that low, it's high. You know, just like opening your vlog and placing some text beneath your video and so on. So yeah, I hope you like those new LUTs of Filmora 13. If you have any particular effect that you really like to use in your video, please leave a comment below. Ayo, it's Lance and I'm signing off. I hope you like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Keep creating and I'll see you next time.